give you some habits, some everyday rules, very simple. Number one, when you wake up, look yourself in mirror and stand upright. Number two, do not use your phone first hour a day. Do not use phone last hour a day. Number three, do not talk bad about people. Less bad talking, more good doing. Number four, take every day 15 minutes absolute silence. No work, no people, just you and your soul. Number five, work out. If you cannot go to gym because you're in work, prison, just do 100 push-ups every fucking day. Number six, always create more than you consume. Listen to it again. And the last one, number seven, when you get impatient, keep working